you know English, but you cannot speak. When someone talks to you, your mind becomes blank. Your heart beats fast. You feel shy. You feel embarrassed. You understand English, but speaking feels scary. And here is the truth. If you only watch videos and do not practice speaking, your English will never change. But today is different. Today you will speak English. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Stay with me until the end and you will speak English confidently. This is not a lesson. This is speaking practice. You must speak aloud. Do not watch silently. Repeat every sentence. Pause the video if you need time. Speak loudly. Speak clearly. Let's start speaking English together. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. I am good. I am good. I am good. I am happy today. I am happy today. I am happy today. I am happy today. Again, speak louder. I am happy today. Great job. You are already speaking English. See? You started speaking in the first minute. Your confidence is growing. Keep going. I work in an office. I work in a shop. I work from home. I work in a company. Your turn. Choose one and say it again. I work in an office. I work from home. Very good. I start work at 9 a.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. Again, I start work at 9 a.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. You are doing amazing. Hello, my name is John. Hello, my name is Emma. Now you speak. Hello, my name is... Again, hello, my name is... Nice. I am new here. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I am happy to join the team. Say it again. I am happy to join the team. Now whisper with me. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I am happy to be here. I am happy to be here. I am happy to be here. Back to normal voice. Great work. How was your weekend? How was your day? Are you busy today? Is everything okay? Say all four again. Great job. My weekend was good. My weekend was relaxing. I watched a movie. I spent time with family. Again, you are speaking full sentences now. This is real progress. Can you help me? Can you show me? Can you explain this? Can you repeat that? Again, louder. Can you repeat that? Now speak fast. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Faster. Amazing. Hello, this is John speaking. Hello, this is Emma speaking. Can I talk to the manager? I will call you later. Thank you for calling. Again. You are training your brain to speak automatically. Keep speaking. Let's start the meeting. Let's begin. Good idea. That sounds great. I agree. I understand. Say again loudly. I agree. I understand. Ready. No stopping. I agree. I understand. Good idea. That sounds great. Again. My English is improving. I am more confident now. I'm not afraid to speak. I can speak English. Again, louder. I can speak English. Speak without stopping. I work in an office. I start work at 9 a.m. I talk to my team. I answer emails. I join meetings. I finish work at 5 p.m. Again, without stopping. Before this video, you were nervous. Now you are speaking many sentences. You are improving right now. Final speaking challenge. Do not stop speaking. Hello, my name is John. I work in an office. I start work at 9 a.m. I talk to my team every day. I answer emails. I join meetings. I share ideas. I ask questions. I help my team. I learn new things. I finish work at 5 p.m. I feel proud of my work. I am improving my English. I am confident. I can speak English. Again, from the top. Do not stop. Hello, my name is John. I work in an office. I start work at 9 a.m. I talk to my team every day. I answer emails. I join meetings. I share ideas. I ask questions. I help my team. I learn new things. I finish work at 5 p.m. I feel proud of my work. I am improving my English. I am confident. I can speak English. You did it. You spoke English for a long time. You trained your brain. You trained your bane. You trained your mouth. Do this every day and your English will change. See you in the next speaking practice.